You guys really are missing me that much? You're waiting for me right here in my room. Okay, alright. Well, what's up guys? This is Ryjel Destiny here. I need to make some more videos, because lately I've been kind of slacking off. You guys can't blame me though. I do get really busy with my work and all. Wait! Speaking of work, there's an interesting story I want to tell you guys. Well, some crazy news. The Cafe Zupas that I work at actually had a fire about a week ago. That's right, it did. So exactly a week ago, on Wednesday.
Forgot which date.
So exactly a week ago, I went into work and both doors were open. And when I walked in, it smelled really horrible in there. And in the kitchen, not too far from actually where our furnace is actually, and water heater, and a couple other households that stores have, on the wall, there was a huge burn mark. And I actually took some video of it, which I'll show you in a second. And I was wondering what was going on because it was very unusual to go into work like that. And my manager told me that the place had caught fire. And how, you ask? I'll tell you. Apparently, we had this chemical that was inside this container with a pump into it. And it had a lot of pressure. There was a lot of pressure in it, and for whatever reason, it got like really hot, heated, and packed, and it just combusted into flames. Luckily, the sprinklers from the ceiling actually put it out, but the fire alarm still detected to the fire department, and they came and made sure the fire was completely out. But I'll tell you guys, it left a mess, a disastrous mess. Quick input, this actually happened at nighttime, so nobody was in the store when the fire took place. I filmed some footage, so I'll show you on camera right now. Of course, as you saw in that video, we actually did have a crew. I think it's called like just a disaster company that comes and helps out places like that in case of fires or earthquakes or crazy things like that. They came and helped us clean up the mess and do everything. It sucked though, because we literally had to throw away everything that was disposable or anything that was ruined, and we had to take every single dish in the entire store and we had to wash it in the dishwasher. I was in charge of that. It sucked. It was insane. Basically took us like 8 hours or so to do, just to get the whole place back to normal, and then we could open again and get our business running. Well, you know what they say, everything that you have today could be gone tomorrow. I want to just let you guys know that you should always be appreciated for what you have, because nothing lasts forever.
Remember kids, only you can prevent forest fires.
But don't worry guys, Cafe Zupas in Lehigh is back to normal. The wall has been redone and the ceilings, everything that we needed back is all good to go and back in place. Our health inspectors came through and they passed us and says we're good to go again for business and everything else. So it was crazy, but we're okay. We're back to normal and we all still have our jobs. And that's about it. That's just what I just wanted to share to you guys. I'll be sure to always give cool news like this if you're interested in things like this and events that happen around in my life and others that I'll be sure to share here on my channel. Just be sure to stay tuned for it, be subscribed. I want to thank everyone also that is subscribed and that is following me right now. And I hope you all have a great day. I'm praying for you guys. Just all I gotta say is, please be safe out there. This is Ryjel Destiny signing off. Be sure to protect, unite, inspire, and expand your friends as I have. And it is time to live your dream and become one.